Take command of the road in the 2013 Chevrolet Tahoe. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like leather upholstery, turn signal indicator mirrors, a power liftgate, adjustable pedals, and power front seats. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Premium sound drives 10 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.